Friends, today we are going to have online class for class 9th, and we have done Heron's formula. Now let us make this third lesson today to continue. As we know that Heron's formula is area of triangle. For finding the area of triangle is equal to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we will find. Now the question says, today's first question says the perimeter of a triangle is 42 centimeters and its sides are in the ratio of 6:7:8. Find area of triangle. Solution: given perimeter of triangle is equal to 42 centimeters. Therefore, S means semi-perimeter. It is 42 upon 2, that is 21 centimeters. Perimeter is, now the sides are in the ratio of 6:7:8. This implies 6x plus 7x plus 8x is equal to 42 centimeters. So 6 plus 7 is 13 and 8 is 21. X is equal to 42 centimeters. Therefore, x can be equal to 42 upon 21. 21 2s, that is equal to 2. Therefore, sides of the triangle are, that is 6x, 6 into 2, that is 12 centimeters. The next one is 7 into 2, because 7x, that is 7 into 2 is 14 centimeter. And next one is 8x, that is 8 into 2, that is equal to 16 centimeters. Now we will find area of triangle. I am going to rub up this much of portion. Area of triangle is equal to under root of s. We have got 21 into 21 minus first side, it was 12 centimeter, 812 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 16. This is equal to under root of 21 into 21 minus 12, it is 9, into 21 minus 14 is 7, into 21 minus 16 is 5. So this can be equal to under root of 7 into 3 is 21, 3 into 3 is 9, 7 is 7 and 5 is 5 centimeters square. This will be equal to under root of 3 is twice, 7 is twice, 3 and 5 are left alone. So we will make those which are in pairs. This is 3 and 7 are in pairs. This is like this one, and remaining part we can make separate root, that is into under root of 3 into 5 centimeters square and root gets cancelled. It is 3 7s are 21 under root of 15 centimeters square. This is the answer for the question. Now let us do exercise 12.1 from NCERT book. Those questions we will find. what the question says. The question says, first question, traffic signal board indicating sukuk ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. If the perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? We are having signal board, for example, outside our school campus, outside our school, there on the highway, there is written, if this that school is ahead, please drive slow. This is the signboard. इस पर बनाया गया है that picture of this boy or girl, the school student, and written school is ahead, drive slow. Now each side, this is A, this is A, this whole is A, and this is A. So Fabian's triangle ABC, the triangular sheet is equilateral. In triangle ABC, side A, side AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to A, or we can simply say A is equal to first side A is equal to B is equal to C, this is A, this is B, this is C, all are equal to A. Thus perimeter of triangle is equal to A plus A, that is equal to 3A. Thus S is equal to 3A upon 2. Therefore area of triangle is equal to under root of S is 3A upon 2 into 3A upon 2 minus, this is A side, this is A side is also A, then next one is 3A upon 2 because it is S minus B, it is A into S minus C, 3A upon 2, C is also A. So 3 under root of 3A upon 2 into 2 into A is 2A, 3A minus 2A is A upon 2, 2 into A is 2A, 3A minus 2A is A upon 2, into 2 into A is 2A, A upon 2. This is equal to root of 3 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. This will be equal to under root of A by 2 into A by 2 whole square into under root of 3, because root 3 is separate, these are twice, square and root gets cancelled. This is equal to under root 3 A square upon 4. So always remember area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 A square by 4. Now the question says, if second part is also there, if its perimeter is 180 centimeters, perimeter of triangle is 180 centimeters. Now I am going to rub it up. Perimeter of triangle is equal to 180 centimeters. Therefore S is equal to 180 upon 2 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 90s, and that is 90 centimeter. Thus 3A is equal to 180 centimeters. A is equal to 60 centimeter. This is also 60, this is also 60, this is also 60. Therefore area of triangle is equal to root 3, just now we did root 3 A square upon 4. This is equal to under root 3. How much is A? A is 60 into 60 upon 4. 2 2z, 2 30z, 2 1z, 2 15z, 15 6 900. 900 under root 3 centimeters square, or you can make root 3 convert 900 multiplied by 1.73 centimeters square. This is equal to 900 multiplied by 173 upon 100. So this and this goes cancel. It is 173 multiplied by 9 centimeters square. 9 3s are 27, 9 7s are 63, 63 and 2 is 65, 9 1s are 9 and 6 is 15. This much of centimeters square is the answer for the question. Now next question we will do of the exercise. Next question. What next question says regarding Heron's formula? A flavor is being made, and on the side of the flavor we will make the figure. Please draw the figures also. Draw figures, you can sketch. Here it is like this, and from this is the road. Consider that this is the road. On this road the vehicles are moving on this and this way. Here is some portion left. Here is also portion left. This is in the shape of triangle. This is 22 meters, and this another one is given. $120. The base is 120 meters, and this is 122 meters. 122 meters. So let us consider this as a triangle. So name it ABC. On this ABC portion, the municipality is going to make some notifications. Whatever the notifications are, or whatever is being pasted, some these advertisements are being made. So they are being pasted on this one, this much of portion. So this meant for these advertisements. So AB, the side AB is equal to 122 meters, BC is equal to 120 meters, CA is equal to 22 meters. Therefore A is 122 meters, B is equal to 120 meters, C is equal to 22 meters. Thus perimeter is PER, short में होता है, perimeter of triangle is equal to 122 plus 120 plus 22 upon, is not upon, that is equal to, this is equal to 2 and 2 is 4, 2 to 4 to 6, 1 and 1 is 2, this much of meters, this is equal to, so S can be equal to 264 upon 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are meters. This is semi-perimeter. Now area of this portion on which advertisements are being made. Thus area of triangular region, that is equal to under root of S into S minus A. It is 132 into 132 minus 122 into 132 minus B, that is 120 into 132 minus C, that is 22 meter squares. This is equal to root of 132 into 132 minus 22 is 10 into 132 minus 20 is 12 into 132 minus 22 is 110 meters squares. This can be equal to under root of 132 is 11 into 12. Next is 10 into 12. And the last one, it is 10 into 11. 10 into 11 meters square. 11 two times, 10 two times, 12 two times. This is equal to under root of 10 into 11 into 12 whole square meters square. Square root gets cancelled. This is 12, 10, 11 are 132 and 10 is 1320 meters square. This is the area of the triangular portion. Now if on the two sides both the triangular portions are same, so this is also equal to this. Area of this and area of this are both same. So this is also 1320, this is also 1320. So addition of this will give 2640, but it is not required. Now something more is question asking for. What it says, a company hires the walls for 3 months. How much rent did it has to pay at the rate of rupees 5,000 per year per meter square? I will rub up this. Now this much of area has been hired by company. किसी कंपनी ने इस पर अपने पोस्टर लगाने शुरू कर दिए और उन्होंने पूरे साल के हिसाब से दिए 5,000 रुपये पर मंथ मीटर स्क्वायर के हिसाब से उस पर रेंट. सो ऑन 1 meter square company pays is equal to rupees 5,000 on 1320 meters square, because that is the area of this much. So it will pay is equal to 5,000 multiplied by 1320. Now company hires it for 3 months only. So what we will do for 3 months, how much the company has to give this much, how much the company has to pay for 3 months. Therefore for 3 months only, this is for the year, for the whole year. For 3 months it has to pay that is equal to 5,000 multiplied by 1320 into 3. This is into how many year it is? 3 by 12. It is 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, because for 12 months is this much, 1 month के लिए, 3 months के लिए. So 4 से factorize करें, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 0s are 0, it is 0 0 0, 1 more 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 16 rupees, 1,65,000 rupees the company has to pay. This is the amount the company has to pay. Or simply you can divide it by 4, because 3 months is 1/4 of the year. So you can simply divide this much by 4 and you will get the answer. Next question. Next question. Slides are being made in a park. A slide is being made in a park. In the park we have gone and we have made those slides, right? On these slides the children ride from here and make a ceiling from this side, and this much of portion is also given, this is also given, this is also given. So let us find it out. What are the measures of those? Those measures are 11 meter, 15 meter, 6 meter. 11, 15 and 6. 11 meters, 15 meters and 6 meters. Here it makes a sloping of this one. Now this much of portion has been covered by green on that green area, or it has been painted green. The bricks have been used here, and what it has been made, this green painting has been done on this much of portion. On that green portion is written, keep the park green and clean. Now what we are going to find out, we have to find out how much area is this triangle. Again the same, it is A, it is B, it is C. In the given figure, AB, the slide, that is 11 meters, BC, the base, that is 15 meters, and CA, where from 1 goes to 8, right, on that much, it is 6 meters. This implies A is equal to 11 meters, B is equal to 15 meters, and C is equal to 6 meters. Thus S can be equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. This is equal to 11 meter plus 15 meter plus 6 meter upon 2. 6, 5, 11 and 1 is 12. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. 32 upon 2, that is 16 meters. Therefore, area of the green portion is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is equal to under root of S. S is 16 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 15 into 16 minus 6 meters squares. This is equal to under root of 16 into 16 minus 11, 6 minus 1 is this 5, 11 minus 15 is 1, and 16 minus 6 is 10 meters squares. So this is equal to under root of 4 into 4 into 5 into 1 into 5 into 2 meters square. 4 twice, 5 twice, 1 single. It is under root of 4 into 5 whole square into root of 2 meters square. Square root gets cancelled. 20 root 2 meters squares. This is equal to 20 multiplied by 1.41 meters squares. Here you can convert as we did in the previous question. Then we can make this one to 2.